Marital experts will say that one of the top signs that predicts a divorce is when spouses feel resentment towards each other. It's really easy to get mad at your spouse or to feel indifferent about certain things that they do or the relationship. But once you feel resentment, it's really hard to come back from that. It's really hard because when you feel resentment, you have sort of put that person over to the side as an object. And there's no intimacy anymore. There's no relationship there, or you wouldn't be able to resent them. And that's a big indicator of divorce. Another predictor of divorce is when we see couples that just don't have any common interests anymore. They don't talk about things that they both enjoy doing. They don't do things together. And when you have that happening, then you really have people living two separate lives and not understanding each other. And that often leads to people going their separate ways. One big sign of a potential divorce coming, and certainly a red flag in your relationship, is if one or both parties are hiding information from the other, whether that's about personal things or whether that's about financial issues. If you aren't able to talk with your spouse and you feel that they're hiding information from you, something's wrong there. And you need to think seriously about whether that relationship can be saved. A common red flag in a relationship, and maybe a precursor to divorce, is when a couple is not intimate anymore. Now, there are different forms of intimacy. Obviously, some people can be really close and not have sexual relationship, but if that's something that's important to you and there seems to be no reason why you can't be intimate anymore, then that may be a red flag and a precursor to divorce. Another situation that can sometimes predict divorce is when couples have serious disagreements on how to raise their kids, how to handle issues that their kids are dealing with, whether that's emotional or medical situations, maybe educational decisions, a lot of times vaccinations, whether we vaccinate, whether we treat our children holistically or not holistically. Those types of decisions can really drive a wedge between some people. And if those are things that you can't agree on, then often that is a precursor towards divorce. These are some of the top signs that predict a potential divorce in the future. If you have any questions, please give us a call at DeFord Law Firm.